ship's gravity's fixed. No.
Great for the Jefferson, but there are some seriously wonky planets out there that will need our help.
Sid, you take over this call. Those hologram installers are useless. I've been trying to get through to the right department for an hour and a half.
Oh, you can? Great. The blue switches. There we go. Set to learn mode and download Nova's routines. There we go.
How did you do that?
Dolograms are fixed. Crisis solved.
Ah!
Who cares about dancing? What do we do about the cranky space baby?
That's no way to talk about your Oh, that cranky space baby.
Come on, answer. Faster, faster.
Stop that! Get that back!
No, you need to make good decisions, not just quick decisions. You can't let that silly app make you decide what to do like it's...
Like it's threatening to cause a massive mood quake.
Exactly. You can't react all just because something demands attention. And, oh dear, I've just realised that what I said has a second meaning. Doesn't it? Your watch is just like the crying space baby.
Oi! Space baby! That's no way to ask for what you want. You have to ask nicely. And stop wonkifying everyone's gravity.
That won't work. The space baby is massive. She can't hear you when we're this tiny to her.
You've got to be less demanding. Be less demanding or I'll do a tantrum at you.
Oh, now I get it. I'm the watch. I'm the space baby.
Yes.
I'm the fan that was looking at his phone.
Not that one.
Well, that's me done learning my lesson for the week. Call me when you need a song.
Nova's songs are the perfect cure for the baby grumps.
Dave!
Nova! That's it! This is like when Chef Dindins gets grumpy. The baby just needs to be entertained. But how will the space baby see me? It's enormous. I know we tell everyone I'm a massive star, but...
Sid, do you still keep that list on every mistake you've ever made?
Everything from eating my first teddy bear to colouring in my most recent teddy bear with permanent marker. And also lots of things not to do with teddy bears.
Then prepare to relive one of your most useful and most recent mistakes. Ready the stage. It's showtime.
Turning on the waterworks, I'm kidding what you want. I can see you're feeling hurt, but you gotta laugh.
Volume.
it off. It's time for you to make a stand. So take my hand, don't throw your toys. Don't be a crybaby, no, no. Wipe off your tears, let's go. Don't be a crybaby, no, no. Carry on with the show. Don't be a crybaby, no, no, no. You need to take it slow. No need to feel so low. Yeah, I'm just letting you know. Don't be a crybaby, no, no. Wipe off your tears, let's go. Don't be a crybaby, no, no.
Sid, time to remake your best massive mistake.
You need to take it slow. No need to feel so low. Yeah, I'm just letting you know. Don't be a crybaby.
Mistake number 903 is huge.
Free your mind, gotta learn to be strong. Take a breath and remind yourself that you gotta laugh it off. It's time to make a stand. So take a
And
minute.
here
Don't throw
we
your toys out of the
go.
Don't be a crybaby, no, no. Wipe off your tears, let's go. Don't be a crybaby, no, no. Carry on with the show. Don't be a crybaby, no, no, no. You need to take it slow. No need to feel so low. Yeah, I'm just letting you know. Don't be a crybaby.
It worked. Making the dolograms huge worked.
The baby planet's loving it.
That's one happy planet right there.
No, no. No, no, no. Don't be a crybaby. Don't be a crybaby. No, no. Wipe off your tears, let's go. Don't be a crybaby.
All the planets reckon that their gravity's... Their gravity's back to normal.
Great thinking, McLaren. Hey, don't let Nova see you on the phone while she's singing.
No, no. Carry on with the show. Don't be a crybaby. No, 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 no. You need to take it slow. No need to feel so low.